Here you can see the package which I have received from Amazon. Now let us open the package. The packing was very nice. And inside this shipping package, here you can see the actual brand package of this supply. This brand packaging is also very nice. And it says pH 100 and 48 volt phantom power supply, and this is designed specifically for audio. And here are some technical parameters. And what you will find inside the box, you will also find a power adapter and a male XLR cable. So here is the label. As you can see, it is made in China. Now let us open this brand packaging also. It says low noise, portable and single channel. It's very stable as per this packaging. Now let us open this brand package also and see what is inside it. Let me cut the tape and open the box. Here it is. As you can see, we have these the main phantom power supply here, the XLR cable, and this one is the power adapter, wall power adapter, and a very simple single page user manual. This is a single page user manual. Here are the connection details, how you should connect your mic and your PC. And this one is the XLR cable through which we connect our mic and this power supply. Now let us see the power adapter. It is very heavy. It is not SMPS based, but it is a standard transformer based power supply. Here it is, the main phantom power supply. It says power pack. It's a generic brand. And here in one side you can see the power switch from which you can turn on and off the unit, and here is the power indicator LED. And on the another side we have the terminal for connecting mic input and output, and also the power supply input. And here it is, the power adapter through which we power this supply. And this is quite different type of adapter. First thing is that it is not switched mode power supply. That is why it is very heavy, because it is a common transformer based power supply. And another thing is that this one is a AC supply. It is not a DC supply. Most of the adapters that you will find in the market are DC power supply, but this one is AC power supply, because this unit, our power supply unit, it needs only AC supply, 18 volt AC supply. So this adapter is providing the 18 volt AC supply. and here you have to connect this like this.